When it comes to Dutch ovens, Le Creuset is often hailed as the gold standard. Its exceptional craftsmanship, vibrant designs and unmatched performance make it a dream for home cooks and professionals alike. But does it truly stand head and shoulders above its competitors, or are there equally compelling and possibly more affordable options out there? Today we're putting Le Creuset to the test against 5 strong competitors: Staub, Lodge, Cuisinart, Tramontina and Amazon Basics. Each brings something unique to the table, whether it's affordability, design or performance. The contenders, a quick overview. In this comparison we'll cover 1. Le Creuset, the premium classic. 2. Staub, a rustic artisanal rival. 3. Lodge, the budget-friendly all-rounder. 4. Cuisinart, a mid-range option with modern appeal. 5. Tramontina, affordable elegance. 6. Amazon Basics, an entry-level choice. As you read, keep in mind that each product has its pros and cons, tailored to different budgets and cooking needs. If one catches your attention, click on the relevant product link in the description to explore it further. Le Creuset has been perfecting the Dutch oven for nearly a century. Its vibrant colors, smooth enamel finish and unmatched durability make it a kitchen icon. Heat retention: its heavy-duty cast iron ensures even cooking and excellent heat retention. Durable enamel, resistant to chipping and discoloration, even with regular use. Design variety: a stunning range of colors to suit any kitchen aesthetic. Where it falls short: high price. Starting at $300, it's a significant investment. Weight: at over 13 pounds for a 5.5 quart model, it's not the easiest to handle. Best for serious cooks and food enthusiasts looking for a lifetime investment in cookware. Click the link in the description for more details. Staub's French heritage shines through in its design. It's a close competitor to Le Creuset, but has unique features that set it apart. Self-basting lid moisture spikes on the lid redistribute steam, creating juicy, flavorful dishes. Matte black interior resists staining better than Le Creuset's light enamel. Rustic aesthetic: rich, deep colors and slightly rustic finishes add charm. Where it falls short: weight even heavier than Le Creuset, which may be a drawback for some. Dark interior makes it harder to monitor food while cooking. Best for those who prioritize moisture retention and a rustic design. Explore more through the link in the description. Lodge offers remarkable value, delivering reliable performance at a fraction of the cost of premium brands. Affordability: prices start around $80, making it accessible to almost anyone. Solid performance, handles heat, retention and distribution impressively for its price. Wide availability, easy to find in stores and online. Where it falls short: durability. The enamel coating is thinner and more prone to chipping over time. Design: functional, but lacks the refined look of higher-end brands. Best for budget-conscious cooks looking for solid everyday performance. Click the product link in the description to learn more. Cuisinart combines style and affordability, creating a Dutch oven that's both functional and attractive. Lightweight, easier to maneuver than heavier models like Le Creuset or Staub. Stain-resistant interior. Enamel resists discoloration and sticking for easy cleaning. Affordable, typically priced around $120, offering excellent value. Where it falls short: heat distribution. Not as consistent as higher-end models, particularly for long cooking times. Durability: enamel coating may chip with frequent use. Best for home cooks who want reliable quality without the premium price. Discover more with the product link in the description. Tramontina strikes an ideal balance between affordability and style, making it a favorite among budget-savvy shoppers. Great value. At around $80, it offers excellent performance for the price. Attractive design, sleek, modern and available in vibrant colors. Impressive heat performance comparable to premium brands for many cooking tasks. Where it falls short: durability: enamel coating is thinner and more prone to wear over time. Heat tolerance: max oven temperature is 450 degrees Fahrenheit, lower than premium competitors. Best for style-conscious cooks on a budget. Click the link in the description for more information. Amazon Basics offers an ultra-affordable entry point into the world of Dutch ovens, perfect for first-timers. Low cost. Often priced under $50, it's a great way to try out Dutch oven cooking without splurging. Functional, adequate for basic tasks like soups, stews and braising. Lightweight, easier to handle than heavier premium models. Where it falls short: quality. The enamel and cast iron are thinner, leading to less durability. Limited design, basic functionality with no frills. Best for casual cooks or beginners. Explore more with the product link in the description. The best Dutch oven for you depends on your budget, cooking needs, and aesthetic preferences. Here's a quick recap. Le Creuset, perfect for those who want the best of the best and are ready to invest. Staub, great for flavor enthusiasts and fans of a rustic artisan look. Lodge, a reliable choice for budget-conscious cooks. Cuisinart, ideal for those seeking mid-range affordability and functionality. Tramontina, a stylish, cost-effective alternative. Amazon Basics, best for beginners or those on a tight budget. If one of these options caught your eye, click on the relevant product link in the description to dive deeper into its features, specs, and customer reviews. Bonus tip: caring for your Dutch oven. No matter which Dutch oven you choose, proper care is essential for longevity. Avoid metal utensils. Stick to silicone or wooden tools to protect the enamel. Hand wash only. While some are dishwasher safe, hand washing will prolong the life of your cookware. Use low to medium heat. Enamel can crack under extreme temperatures. Ready to level up your cooking game? Click the product links in the description to find your perfect match and start creating unforgettable meals today.